Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video of the 330D M Sport Saloon here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk about some of the major talking points of the features of the exterior and interior. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we'll go a bit more in depth of the interior features. So as you can see, the exterior of the car is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we fitted the vehicle with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And we've also had the 19-inch 403M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the satin black, which again really does suit the car very nicely, being that it is of course finished in that black sapphire metallic. At the front of the vehicle you will see it is a 2015 15 plate. You'll also see the Angel Eye xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car you may have already noticed, behind those stunning 19-inch alloy wheels, the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to the vehicle does have the full M Sport Plus pack. You'll also see the sun protection glazing windows on the rear, again thanks to that M Sport Plus pack. Down the side of the car, we've got the satin side bars, the YNC Mperformance decals, and we'll go ahead now and take a glance at the interior, which again on this vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, and you'll see that Harman Kardon, which does finish off that M Sport Plus pack very nicely. And the interior on this vehicle matches the exterior very nicely for being in very nice condition. In the rear you have a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, which once again is all in very nice condition. Moving round towards the rear of the car, not before showing you off those lovely 19-inch alloy wheels once again. At the rear of the car we've got the high gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. Now, not only is this the fantastic 330D, it has also got BMW's incredibly sophisticated Xdrive four-wheel drive system. Two great things about that: of course it does mean you've got that four-wheel drive system keeping you planted to the road. However, unlike some other manufacturers, that four-wheel drive system does not eat into either of the boot space or any of the passengers compartment space either. So you get a very large boot space. Along with this vehicle does also have the split folding seat option as well, which we're going to demonstrate for you in just a second. Closing that boot down, we'll head round to the other side of the vehicle, where you can see again, thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom, how nice the black sapphire has turned out on this vehicle, and also just how well it sits on the 19-inch alloy wheels, which you can see there again. So I'll quickly just demonstrate these split folding seats, and there you can see we've just split it the one side down, but of course it does just give you that little bit of extra room in terms of the luggage compartment before we head on to have a look at some of the other special items that this vehicle comes equipped with. So now we're sat inside, I'll just start the car up and go through a couple of the features and functions which are on the professional wide navigation and media screen we've also got on this car. Starting with the navigation, which is a very user-friendly system to operate. It's also got Bluetooth for audio and telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs. And if we click the main menu button, I'll just head down and show you the vehicle service requirements and service history. Not before showing you we've got the dual climate control, and I've already mentioned the seat heating, of course. At the vehicle service information screen, you'll be able to see that everything is currently in the green, and the vehicle is not due a service for 7,000 miles. This 330D we're sat in now has covered just over 68,000 miles. It also has, as well as that lovely four-wheel drive system, the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is very thought after. The cruise control and the speed limiter function, the voice and volume controls, all situated on the very nice multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Going up to the service history screen, you can see there that we've got the service stamps from BMW. So as always guys, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. And if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description box, so you can of course check this vehicle out in further detail on our website, and that's where you'll also find all of the prices and of course all of our finance options, should that be applicable to you looking to purchase this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and of course if you want to stay up to date with all the latest going on here at Your Next Car, including all of our latest and newest stock, please remember to hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be able to do so. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.